Here we're looking at iSpring Water Systems whole home filtration. Basically what this is we got our main water coming in the house. We're obviously down in my mechanical room. It's a 1-inch line, and you'll need a 1-inch maladapter to get in here, 1-inch maladapter to get out and go back to the rest of your house. And this first filter is a sediment filter. It's 5 microns. It's going to remove sediment, dirt, sand, silt, rust, and other things like that. Our second filter is a GAC and KDF filter. This is going to reduce chlorine, lead, hydrogen sulfide, odors, and other contaminants. The filter life is roughly 10 to 12 months on that. And lastly, we've got our third stage, which is a CTO carbon filter, 5 microns, and it's going to reduce chlorine, bad odor, and taste, remove sediment, dirt, and rust, and all those other things. Filter expectancy on this is 12 months, obviously depending on how much water you go through. As we can see, the mounting bracket for this is really nice. It's about 24¼ inches wide. This is metal. You're going to have 2 mounting hole locations, making it really simple to mount this. Filters are about 20 inches. These are really nice, robust. Everything feels nice on it. Comes with this wrench, and you're going to need it. Slide it on here like this, tighten to the right, or you can use it to the left to loosen this when you're changing your filters. Overall, the installation went really nice. Another thing I want to touch on is the maximum PSI this can handle. So our city, we have 70 PSI, so we don't need to have a pressure reducer in here. But if you're over 80, that's something that you're going to have to look at. This can handle 80 PSI. And also the flow rate, right? Everybody's probably wondering, well, is my shower going to barely trickle out or whatnot? The peak flow rate on this is 15 gallons per minute. So it's not going to affect water pressure in your shower or doing dishes or washing machine or anything like that. We've been running this for a while and it's been great, and I highly recommend.